Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. In today's video, we have a headband wig from Beauty Forever. This is their Waterwave in 20 inches. I have my hair in 10 plaits. This is what makes the style easy because you don't have to braid your hair down. This is how the hair is coming out of the package. It's nice, flowy, bouncy, shiny, you know, all of that. And this is the natural wave pattern. I did not wash the hair yet. The wig is constructed with a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom, and then two Velcro pieces that connect in the back. Now I'm taking the Eco Styler gel, the green one, and I'm just going to make sure that my edges are laid down. Once I've got my edges how I want them and I make sure that they're laid, I'm going to tie it down and sleep on it overnight. This is my hair the next morning. I'm going to reapply some of the Eco Styler gel because after laying on it, it gets a little out of place, but for the most part, it's laid down. Once you put the wig on, you're going to adjust it and fit the combs into your braids and make sure that it's how you want it. Then you're going to put the hair up and get it out of your way so you can take the straps and attach them in the back. It's just a lot easier that way. This wig really reminds me of back in the day when we used to wear the half wigs, but this just has a band around it and you're able to pull it up. But I love it because it's so easy, it's quick. It literally took me like 10 minutes maybe to put this on. Now this is the band that came with the wig, and I'm going to tie it around to cover up the black part. And with this, you can either wear the black band that comes on the wig, or you can add your own headband in different colors and styles. And this is how my hair is looking. I love it. It's so cute. And it took me no time at all. This is the final look. I slowed it down so you guys can see how pretty this hair is. And again, it's a Waterwave from Beauty Forever, their headband wig, and it is in 20 inches. And I'm also going to show you at the end how you're able to put it up and what it looks like when it's in a bun.